The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Grayson County in north central Texas, Pembine County in north central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, and 1:30 p.m. At 10:25 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Orly, Coppell, Sherman, The Colony, Salt Lake, Denison, Sachse, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, and Lake Dallas. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.